We are the Urban Relief Organization, a community-led cooperative formed by a group of locals, planners, and council members. We aim to draw a shared vision that will improve the health of our citizens and the city. Our research-led approach proves that shifting the way in which food is produced can improve people's health and the city's biodiversity, so natural system can thrive and flourish. Therefore, we need to build a resilient food system and create a new supply chain that based on a circular collaborative regeneration. This circular approach will adopt regenerative farming techniques and leverage new technologies of food production, which will illuminate the way for environmental, social, and economic shift in Blackpool. But we can't do it alone. We believe that to bring about change, we need to think and work collaboratively. Therefore, the project will anchor a catalyst alongside the promenade to reveal the ecological and social potential of the site. Our scheme will retrofit the existing Foxhall building, a resourceful site that historically was the first destination people would visit once they arrive in Blackpool. Our collaborative approach allowed us to form two retrofitting themes. The first is reusing and repurposing demolition waste to create a collective brick ground floor that will carry the story and the essence of the city. And the new structural system of the extension will be made if we cling to it. The second theme will focus on enabling social enterprise and community making. Using the Wiki House system, locals will be able to assemble the new extension, and seaweed insulation and cladding will be dried and made on site. This will improve the sense of community ownership and participation, which will also drive the operation of the facility. Through weekly meetings, members of the organization, local business and councillors will gather in the decision-making chamber to manage public resources fairly and openly. The circular seating arrangement will enable dialogue, and the skylight will promote the sense of hope. This level of transparency and optimism led the atrium design, where food production processes are exposed and visible to the public through the hierarchy of height. These regenerative processes are designed to radically reduce resource usage, such as land, water, and fertilizers, as it will be contained in a circular motion. For instance, the project will promote a plant-based protein system that is 20 times more time efficient than livestock, which is called the precision fermentation. The process of fermentation uses microbes that feed on hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and water, which will be generated from other processes and channeled into the tank, producing no waste. The output of this cycle is a plant-based meat or dairy that will improve people's diet, and heat, which will also be channeled into the greenhouse so different fruits and veggies can grow throughout the year. Local farmers will lead the greenhouse in collaboration with WOOF, an international organization that aims to promote the adoption of regenerative farming. Sleeping pods will host these farmers so they can work with people and local businesses, enabling them to grow produce in their gardens, backyards, and rooftops. This will build a community wealth and create an abundance of nutritious food that could be shared in the exchange room. The exchange room will be occupied with digital screen where members can log into their account, and an automated storage and retrieval system will pick up the members' designated box so they can deposit or collect produce. An app will be launched so people can monitor their account and book a drone delivery. This shift in food production processes will spark an ecological revolution that will connect the site to Stanley Park through the green corridors that will improve the city's biodiversity and will act as a spatial manifestation of the power of collaboration between social and biological communities. This collaborative management of resources will allow us to recognize our strong potential when we work together. So please, join us as we start our journey.